this amazing Australian bush. We're in country Victoria and I am 1,800 kilometres or 1,200 miles from home, but I'm still enjoying the outdoors. But I wanted to show you just how easy it is to set up a rooftop tent off your vehicle. One thing I have done here is made sure that the trailer is dead to nuts level. Now, for all you Americans, dead to nuts is a metric measurement, so just be aware of that.
All right, and we're complete.
So we're done. It's taken us about 5 to 8 minutes, and I don't look at the effort that it takes. I measure it in mean time to beer. So in 8 minutes from pulling up, I'm cracking my first tinny. This is just one style of the three. The other two might even be a little bit easier to set up.